Fine, welcome to Ameya channel. The remaining part of the questions we are going to solve now. Question number 9. Sane, are you ready? All of you are telling answer C. So previous answer was B. We have already solved that question. Now we are going for question number 9. Bhumi, Saranya, Pranjal, Adit, everyone give answer C. Let's see the correct answer. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Now they were asking find the value of 4 sine theta minus cos theta by 4 sine theta plus cos theta. 4 sine theta plus cos theta. So how we can answer this question? Very easy to answer this question. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. So 4 sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. Again 4 sine theta, here minus is there, by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. So this and this will get cancelled. So 4 tan theta, sine theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. So it will become 4 tan theta minus 1, 4 tan theta minus 1 by 4 tan theta plus 1. So tan theta value already given 3 by 4. So 4 into 3 by 4 minus 1. You can take like that also. You are absolutely correct, beta. Here plus 1 cancel. So 3 minus this 4 and this 4 and this 4 get cancelled. So 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So that is 2 by 4 and 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. So option C is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Well done, beta. Now we'll go for next question. Okay, they have solved in the same way. Let's go to question number 10. Question number 10 is, if sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find the value of sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. A very important question for all of you. Solve this question fast. Try this question out, beta. Fine.
Question number 10. Sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Then find the value of sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. Okay, everyone is giving option as C. C value is coming as 1 by 2. Let's see if C value is the correct answer or wrong. Okay, C answer is the correct answer. Why C answer will be the correct answer? Because without solving, we can say this sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. So shift this one that side. It will become sin theta equal to cos theta. So now shift this one down of it. Sin theta by cos theta equal to 1. So that is tan theta equal to 1. Shall we do like this? Tan theta is coming as equal to 1. So if tan theta will be equal to 1, so what is tan theta value, beta? Tan theta equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. So theta will be equal to 45 degree. And once we know theta value, beta, so we can be able to apply this. Now sine 4 theta is 45 degree plus cos 4 45 degree. So we can write it as sine square 45 degree and 2 and 2. 4 we can write in 2 inside and 2 outside. Here cos square 45 degree, outside it will be 2. So sine square 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2. Sine square 45 degree, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2. So it is 1 by root 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by root 2 to the power 4. So it will come 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and that is 2 by 4. So that will come as 1 by 2. So the correct answer is option C. Very good. Pavitra, Saranya, Pranjal, Bhumi, Kritika, everyone, S. Priyadarshini, Adit, Arvind, Pranjal, everyone give the correct answer. Now let's go for next question, that is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to, which one is the correct option? Give the correct answer for this. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Okay, Bhumi is telling A, Saranya A, Kritika A, everyone is giving A as answer. Bhumi, Kritika, Saranya, 3 of them give A as answer. Fine, let's check this out. Is A, Pavitra also give A as answer? Fine, we know that tan 30 degree is equal to root 3. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So here it will become 2 into 1 by root 3 for this question by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So it will become 2 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by 3. So this one will become 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Cancel. It is coming 3 by 2 root 3. Rationalize it. So 3 root 3 by 2 into 3. Cancel. So it is coming root 3 by 2. So which one is giving root 3 by 2? Sine 60 degrees only giving root 3 by 2. So Pavitra, Bhumi, Kritika, Saranya, everyone, Pranjal, everyone, all of you are correct. So we are going to keep it till here. Very good. Well done. Today your performance was very good. Awesome performance. You have given 11 questions back to back. None of you were wrong. So you have given the best performance today. Very good. So now tomorrow we are going to again solve some very important questions.